Hello everyone, this is Saving Savvy with Dr. Mike, and today we're going to do a double experiment. We're going to do two things. We're first of all testing out the video recording capability of what we're using right now, which is the Canon G9X. So we're going to check that out to see how that works as a video camera. And then we're also going to see if my trusted Bosch Universal can make a single batch of peanut butter cookies. Not that it doesn't have the strength to do it, because of course it does, but usually I use this machine to make 6 loaves of whole wheat bread all at once. My wife does a lot of the baking. She uses the KitchenAid mixer for most batches of cookies. So this huge container here, we're going to see today if it's still efficient enough to make just a single batch, because if it's good for that, maybe you can replace the KitchenAid altogether. So let's see. So here we are, kind of creaming, shortening the butter, the peanut butter and egg, and this is just a single recipe, and it is missing. We're going to have to do some scraping down. It's mixing well enough, but we're going to have to still scrape down the side because it's just not enough volume. Okay, so now we're adding the dry ingredients. We're going to just pulse them in. A little dust cloud there. Turn that. Not too bad. We'll have to scrape again, but it's definitely doable. And now we're going to add half a cup of peanut morsels. Whoa, there they go. We're going to pulse those guys in. So I'm sure it did that very well. Let's see. And did it mix them thoroughly? Not sure. We'll find out. Okay, so we're spooning the batter to be refrigerated a little bit. You can see it's not a very large quantity, and so definitely you can make a single batch in this gigantic machine, although I do think the KitchenAid would probably be the better choice here. This definitely does the job. What do you think, Grace?
Yeah, I would agree.
That's my daughter. Grace, they look pretty good. What do you think?
I agree. Yeah, they turned out well.
Oh, there they are. They look pretty darn good. So I think the experiment was a success. Well, there you have it. 2 separate different gadgets reviewed in one review. We looked at the video taking quality of the Canon G9X, and you'll be able to judge that yourself just by looking at the videos. By the way, this is now being recorded on a webcam, but all the other video was done with this camera. And we also looked at the ability of the Bosch Universal as far as using small batches. So that was a 2.5 dozen peanut butter cookie recipe, so a very small batch. And basically what we found is it worked just fine. Maybe required a little more scraping than you would normally expect, but nothing outrageous at all. And certainly if you were making a double batch or something, you wouldn't have that problem. So the Bosch Universal might be a device that you could use not only for your giant 6 loaves of bread kind of stuff, but also for smaller needs too. And if you get some time, please give my free podcast a listen. It's called Psychiatric Secrets Revealed with Dr. Mike. If you have some more time than that, if you want to know a little bit more about me, you can check out my experimental writing blog, which is drmikekuna.com, drmikekuna.com. It's just a little experiment that I'm doing to see if I can just write a little bit more about feelings and real things in a public forum. And beyond that, have a great day. Bye.